Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Trusty Rusty Depot, and today in lesson 1 you're going to be learning how to install the basic tools necessary for Rust development. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open the terminal. You can do that by pressing Command Space to open the Spotlight search and typing in terminal and pressing enter. And a window like this should pop up. I'm going to make it a bit bigger so we can see. So the next thing you're going to want to do is install Brew. Brew is a package manager. It will allow you to install everything you'll need. You'll need to go to the Brew website, which is brew.sh, and you can just copy the install command. I'm not going to do it since I already have it installed, but you're going to paste it in here and press enter. Once you have that installed, the next thing you're going to want to do is install Alacritty. Alacritty is a terminal emulator, which means it does everything that this terminal does, but faster. And also it's written in Rust, so that's an extra nice touch. To install Alacritty, you're going to want to run brew install --cask Alacritty. It's spelt with 2 T's, so be careful with how you spell it. And you press enter and let it run. So now that we have Alacritty installed, we can close the terminal, and we're never going to need the terminal again. And we can do Command Space and type in Alacritty and press enter. And yes, we want to open it. And you get a window that pops up, and it looks almost exactly like the terminal, but this is Alacritty, and this is where we're going to run all of our commands from. The next thing you're going to want to install is Starship. Starship is a terminal prompt, which prompt is this part that shows up before your cursor. So the Starship is just a nicer prompt that you can configure. And it's written in Rust as well. To install that, you can just run brew install Starship. Okay, and that didn't make any difference, but we're going to go over that in the next video. Second to last thing you need to install is Neovim, which is the editor I'm going to use. To install this, you need to do brew install Neovim --head, and the --head part is to get the nightly version of Neovim. Okay, so now that we have Neovim installed, we need one last thing, that is Rustup. Rustup is the toolchain manager for the programming language Rust, and it comes with Cargo, which is a package manager for Rust. So in order to install that, we need to go to rustup.rs, which is the website, and you can just copy the install link, assuming you are on Mac OS. Otherwise, there's a different way to install it. But if you're on Mac OS, you just copy the command and paste it and run it. I'm not going to do it because I already have it installed. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next videos where we will go over the configurations for Alacritty, Starship, and Neovim.